What if I told you that selling your home for top dollars in 2024 is easier than you think? After helping dozens of families sell their homes quickly, I've learned what works and what doesn't. In this video, I will talk about the curb appeal, tell you how to price it right from the start, give a brief on depersonalization, and so much more. Hi, my name is Tadlika Sehgal and I'm a real estate expert. If you watch till the end, I have a bonus waiting for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 7, let's talk about curb appeal. Curb appeal is crucial when selling a home because it's the first thing potential buyers notice. A clean, well-maintained exterior sets the stage for a positive viewing experience, making buyers excited to see more. Simple updates like fresh paint, mowing the lawn, and tidying up the driveway can make a huge difference. Clean walkways, trimmed bushes, and adding a few potted plants give your home an inviting feel. These small changes are affordable but can boost your home's attractiveness right away. A beautiful exterior doesn't just look nice, it signals to buyers that the inside is well cared for too. When a home looks great from outside, it increases the perceived value and can lead to better offers. In a competitive market, curb appeal can make your home stand out and sell faster. Small investments like updating your mailbox or painting the front door can make all the difference. Buyers are drawn to homes that look ready to move in, and curb appeal gives them that reassurance and simultaneously helps you sell your home quickly and for successful sale. To determine the best price, you need to know what's happening in the housing market around you. Look at homes like yours that have sold recently to get a good idea of what buyers are paying. You can also get a professional appraisal to help you set a fair and competitive price. It's a good idea to talk to a real estate agent because they have lots of experience to guide you through. Coming at number 6, let's talk about pricing and how to do it right at the start. Pricing your home right from the start is super important for a quick sale. To know what works best for your home, a realtor can help you pick the right price so your home sells quickly. Remember, it's important not to let emotions get in the way. Buyers won't pay more just because you love your home. If you're not getting any offers, don't be afraid to adjust the price. Being flexible can help you sell faster and for the best price. Moving on to number 5, declutter and depersonalize. Decluttering and depersonalizing your home is really important when getting ready to sell. When buyers walk in, they need to imagine themselves living there. If there are too many personal items like family photos or extra furniture, it can be hard for them to picture the space as their own. By removing these things, the home feels more open and buyers can focus on the house itself, not your stuff. It's easier for them to see how they would decorate and use the space. Keeping things clean and simple makes a big difference. A tidy home looks bigger and more inviting. This is especially important in smaller homes or those with less storage. Even the outside of your house matters. Make sure the driveway and lawn are neat too. A clutter-free home, both inside and out, gives a great first impression and helps buyers feel more excited about the property. Remember, less is more. Keep decorations neutral and spaces organized to help your home sell faster. Coming at number 4, let's talk about professional staging and photography. Professional staging and photography are super important when selling your home. Staging means arranging furniture and decor in a way that makes the home look its best. It helps buyers picture themselves living there and creates a warm, inviting space. Staged homes sell faster and for more money because they look more appealing to potential buyers. In fact, homes that are staged can sell up to 20% higher than homes that aren't. Good photos are just as important. Most buyers start their search online and the first thing they see are pictures of your home. Professional photos show off the best parts of the house and make it stand out. These photos help create an emotional connection and can make buyers more excited to come for a tour. So, by investing in both staging and photography, you can attract more buyers, sell your home faster, and maybe even get a better price. Moving on to number 3. Leverage online marketing. Using online marketing is super important when selling your home in 2024. Most people start their home search online, so making sure your home is easy to find is key. High quality photos, virtual tours, and posting on social media can help. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram are great places to share pictures and updates about your home. Buyers spend a lot of time on these sites, and the more they see your listing, the more interested they will be. Virtual tours are also a big deal. They let buyers explore your home without having to visit in person. This is perfect for people who live far away or have busy schedules. Plus, listings with virtual tours get a lot more views than those without. Using targeted ads is another smart move. Ads on Facebook or Google can reach buyers who are looking for homes just like yours. All these tools together can help you find more buyers and sell your home faster. Coming at number 2. Work with an experienced realtor. Working with an experienced realtor can make a big difference. When you are selling your home, these professionals know a lot about the local market, including what houses are selling for and what buyers want. This knowledge helps them set the right price for your home to start with and make sure it stands out to buyers. They also have great negotiation skills, which means they can help you get the best deal possible. If you get multiple offers, a skilled realtor knows how to handle those and make sure you pick the right one. Realtors also have access to a wide network of potential buyers and other professionals. This helps them market your home more effectively and reach more people. Selling a home involves a lot of paperwork and details, which can be stressful. An experienced realtor can take care of these tasks for you, saving your time and worry. They also use professional marketing tools like high quality photos, virtual tours to show off your home. If you're thinking about selling, connecting with a good realtor can help you get the best results. Moving on to number 1, timing matters. Timing is really important when selling your home. The best time to sell is usually in the spring and early summer. During this time, the weather is nice and many families want to move before school starts again. According to Zillow, June is the best month to sell a home because lots of buyers are looking for a new place during summer break. More buyers mean a better chance of selling your home quickly and for a good price. However, you should also think about local market conditions, things like the job market, local economy, mortgage interest rates. All these factors can affect when it's best to sell. That's why it's helpful to work with a realtor who knows your area well. They can help you understand what's going on in the market and give you great advice on the right time to list your home. If you're thinking about selling, make sure to ask a realtor about the best time to put your home on the market. They can help you make the most of your sale and get the best price. Now let's talk about the bonus tip. Make minor repairs. Fixing small issues in your home can help it sell faster and for a better price. Things like leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or squeaky doors may seem minor, but buyers notice everything when they look at the house. If they see small problems, they might worry about bigger issues that could cost them money later. When your home is well maintained and everything works perfectly, it gives buyers confidence that they are making a good choice. Taking the time to fix these little things can make a big difference in how much your home sells. It shows buyers that you care about your home and have kept in a good shape. Plus, making these repairs doesn't have to cost a lot. Simple fixes can improve how your home looks and feels. So before you list your home, walk around and see what needs a little attention. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. If you would like to know more about Toronto's real estate, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, I'm Tadlika Sehgal, your real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.